Hello, kids. This is Mr. Beep Beep. Mr. Beep Beep wants to be your friend. Mr. Beep Beep is going for a walk. What is wrong, Mr. Beep Beep?
This thing.
Oh, I see, Mr. Beep Beep. Mr. Beep Beep has found a new victim. Mr. Beep Beep charges.
You know what?
Well, Mr. Beep Beep does not know what that just happened. You can do it, Mr. Beep Beep. Get back up. Mr. Beep Beep charges again. Oh no! Mr. Beep Beep! Alright, now Mr. Beep Beep is heated. Mr. Beep Beep has no choice but to use his secret weapon. What he does, he charges and then turns around. Oh no, his plan backfired. What shall Mr. Beep Beep ever do? Oh no, the victim has arrived. Oh. Now Mr. Bleep Bleep is heated. Oh no, Mr. Beep Beep, don't be sad. You will get your revenge. Won't you, Mr. Beep Beep? The victim walks into his home, unsuspecting of what awaits him.
Oh, there's spiders.
Alright, now the victim is going to lay down on the rock. Perfect, says Mr. Beep Beep, even though he can't talk. Mr. Beep Beep needs to be very quiet. Mr. Beep Beep has been waiting for this moment. Oh no, Mr. Beep Beep's plan has not worked out as he thought it would. Mr. Beep Beep has sadly died. Mr. Beep Beep never fails.
That hurt.
Aha.